Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll introduce NumPy in just 2 minutes. If you are starting your Python journey, this library will change the way you work with data. So, let's begin. NumPy is a powerful Python library specially designed for numerical computing. It helps you work with numbers efficiently and process large amounts of data very fast. That's why NumPy is widely used in data science, machine learning, and AI. Now you might ask, why should we use NumPy? First, NumPy is much faster than normal Python lists. Second, it can easily handle big datasets with thousands or even millions of values. And third, NumPy is heavily used in artificial intelligence and machine learning projects. An array is simply a collection of numbers of the same data type. For example, here we have an array, 10, 20, and 30. Instead of storing values separately, NumPy stores them in a structured way, which makes calculations faster and easier. Now, let's see a simple example. First, we import NumPy using import NumPy as NP. Then we create an array using np.array and pass values 10, 20, and 30. Finally, we print the array. The output will be 10, 20, 30. This is how easily we can create arrays in NumPy. NumPy comes with many powerful features. It offers very fast performance for numerical calculations. It supports multi-dimensional arrays like 1D, 2D, and even higher dimensions. You can perform vectorized operations, which means calculations without loops. NumPy also provides built-in mathematical functions, broadcasting, and memory efficiency. It integrates perfectly with libraries like pandas and matplotlib, and it also supports linear algebra operations and random number generation. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching.